Hi everyone, it's Solomon here, and in today's video I want to practically show you how to place OCO order in Binance Spot Trading. So guys, if you are new here, do well to subscribe to my channel as we go straight into this tutorial. I'll be very practical with you, showing you what exactly is an OCO order and how to place it practically on Binance Spot Trading. So this is Binance, guys. If you don't have a Binance account, use the first link in the description, get registered with Binance, and then you will need to verify your account using your valid ID cards. Once you've done that, you will have access to this kind of platform. And then I'm using my desktop because what I'm going to be explaining will just require a bit of explanation, but you can do this with your mobile phone app. You can use the same tutorial to get what exactly OCO order is all about. So to get that, when you come to Binance dashboard like this, you will come straight to where you see trade, and then you will scroll to spot trading. So we will use spot trading for this tutorial. You can also use margin trading, but I will use the spot trading in the case of this tutorial. So guys, when you click on spot trading, this is exactly what you're supposed to see. This is your order book. I explained this in one of my videos. I will place the link in the description where you will find this. This is your order book where people are placing their sell order, and if you scroll down, this is their buy order. When you come to this side, this is different options. This is the price of the underlying asset. We're seeing the chart. I've explained everything about the spot trading interface for you. For this tutorial, I will just explain what an OCO order is all about without touching any other thing. So the first thing you should know about an OCO order stands for one cancel the order. It means that when you place these orders, one of the order, whenever it is executed, the other one will cancel itself, whether you do it manually or the market automatically does it. So another thing about an OCO order is that most people use it as a take profit and a stop loss in the spot trading space. Most people use it as a take profit or a stop loss. Just know this before we go right into it. So for instance, now let me show you how to practically place that OCO order, but I will change the asset before I will show you how to take that particular trade using the OCO order. Let me delete these trend lines and then delete them off this chart. Let me also change the PA. For the case of this video, I will use, let's say, BNB against USDT. If I click on this, as you can see guys, this is BNB against USDT. So the first thing you must know is that you need to have the right crypto PA on your chart. BNB against USDT, make sure that you have the right crypto PA so that you will not be placing order in the wrong crypto PA. So the next thing to do after getting that, guys, is let me just expand this a little bit so that I will explain better. So when you come here, let me reduce this particular chart. You can use original trading view, and then let me reduce it so that I will have where to place the order. So you can place an OCO order on both the buy side or the sell side. Just get to understand this. This is what is confusing many people, and I will just be explaining that to you. One can be buy, one can be sell. You can use either of them, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I will be using the sell side to explain an OCO order, but it's the same thing. So for you to place an OCO order, you might have placed either a market order or a limit order. You need to either place a market order or a limit order first before you can place your OCO order. So for me to do that, I will want to just buy some BNB with my USD. Okay, so to do that, I have BNB against USDT. It means that I want to buy BNB with my USDT. The left hand side cryptocurrency is the one you are buying, and then the right hand side cryptocurrency is the one you have at hand. So if I scroll down to this place, and then I come to this side, I have close to 34 USDT in my spot wallet, and then I want to buy BNB with this 34 USDT. I need to buy it with either limit order or market order, which I will click on market order right now and then buy it first before I can place an OCO order. So let me click on this to show you that I'm buying for 34 USDT. And then I'm buying at the current price of BNB. All I have to do is to put in the amount I have, and then I will click on buy. After clicking on buy, now my market order has been filled. I am currently in the market. If I come to order history, you will actually see that I have BNB bought just this morning at this price. It has been filled. So this is when I will come and place my OCO order. Guys, if you have not understood what I'm doing, go ahead and ask question in the comment section. And if you find my videos really helpful, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. This is the only favor I will ask from you. Don't just go away from it. Go ahead and subscribe. Now, after placing our order, or we can use the limit order, I will explain limit order in a different video. But once you've executed your trade, now I will show you how to use an OCO order. So to get an OCO order, you will have to come to stop limit and click on it. You will scroll down to OCO and then click on OCO, and then let me show you how it looks like here. I will be using the sell because this is what I will need to get back my BNB. So what exactly is an OCO order? As I explained to you earlier, it simply means one cancels the order, and it means that whenever the order trade enters, the other one cancels, and it is a way of placing both stop limit and a limit order in a trade. So let me show you how it looks like, and then I will explain what price is, what stop is, and what limit is. To do that, assuming I bought it right here, as you can see, I actually bought BNB right here, and I want to take my profit because you will always want to buy low and sell high. This is like a support level, and this is a resistance level. If you know basics of technical analysis, you should know this. If I click on this and then come to horizontal line and place it here, this is where I want to take my profit. Let me drag this away. This level is where I want to take my profit. And then if I take another horizontal line from here and then place it here, or either here, and then bring it down a bit. Let me bring it down a bit. This is where I want to put my stop loss. For instance, if I say this is the level I want to put my stop loss, this is take profit, this is stop loss, and then I will explain everything to you. Just watch what I'm doing. Let me delete this guy from here. Oh, I just deleted that completely. Let me place it again. Okay, then let me take it away. Okay, you can see what exactly I'm doing. This is I bought here. If it goes up and touches this, even if I'm not here, I want to tell the market to automatically remove me. Let me use a drawing tool and let me change the color to something like white. Okay, so market will decide to go up and touch me here, and once it reaches that position, it will automatically cancel my trade. It's like I've taken profit. As you can see, I bought it at 220.7, and then I'm removing at 663.4. If you take the difference, that's my profit. But if for any reason this market decides to go down, right, and then it touches my stop loss, I want the market to take me out even if I'm there or I'm not there. Do you understand? So for me to get this is my stop loss, this is my take profit, and I need to put a limit order, a limit to when this will be executed. Let's say I want this to be executed at this point, very close, around 1.18 or 1.16 or thereabout. Let me take it up a bit. Very close. Okay, very close, 1.13.5, and then the stop loss is 107. Now just get to watch this. The two of this order, the limit and the stop, are below price. This is price. When I say price, are below price, and my take profit is above price. So now I will use these levels to place my order just like I've shown you. So when I come to price, price is your take profit. Price is your take profit. Stop is your stop loss. Limit is when the market is executed, when it's going downside. And then stop limit is when I say, okay, I don't want it again, just remove me automatically. Limit is when the market will execute itself automatically when it is going downside. Please, if you don't understand, ask me a question in the comment section. So I will go up and check what is my price. It's 663.4, and then I'll put it right in there, 663.4, right? Then what is my stop? That is stop loss. is, remember I said is 106.7, and this is it. You can see these two horizontal lines I just put. One is when the trade will automatically execute downside when it's going downside, and then the other one is my stop loss. The market will automatically remove me. So I'll come here and say stop loss is 106.7, guys, and then my limit guys, my limit is what? 113.5. I hope you're getting this, guys. If you have a question, ask me in the comment section. So I have my take profit up there. Here I have my limit. When the market is coming downside, it will execute it downside, but when it executes it, I don't want it to pass 106.7. This is what I'm telling the market. If it goes up and touches this, both the two will cancel, and if it is coming down and touches this, the other one will cancel until it touches my stop loss. Then everything will be cancelled out there. Please, I guess you understand what I'm trying to explain. So this is all about this particular thing. And then how much amount I want to put. I want to put everything. I want to put everything as I want to put in everything. Okay, I want to put everything. So the next thing to do now, guys, is to click on sell. This is what I'll do. And then you click on sell. After clicking on sell, it is telling you that OCO sell order created on the downside. I have sold my BNB on the downside. So guys, at any time the market executes, I will have my profit at take profit. If it doesn't execute at take profit, I will stop out in this position. So guys, this is how to place an OCO order. I hope you understand everything I explained. This is actually how to do everything. When you come down here, let me show you. When you scroll down, you will see both the orders have been placed. You can see them. You can see down here we have two orders. One is stop loss limit, one is limit maker. So this is how to actually place an OCO order. So guys, if you find value in this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you also ask me question in the comment section. Let me cancel this, then everything will cancel. If you cancel one, everything will cancel. So this is how to do it, guys. There is nothing difficult about this. If you have any question, you go ahead and ask me, then I will be right there to answer all your questions. Guys, my name is Solomon once again. See you in another video. Thank you for watching.